It is 8th of February today. I just received that delivery of the plants which I had left the order with the Sheepwalk Nurseries and yesterday I received that order, but it was raining, so I couldn't open it. But today, so I thought I'll see, try to open it, check everything. That looks like the plants for the hedge. That looks like the plants for open garden, which I'll open, check. Now I'll see what they are. That is apricot, 5 plants. That is M9 apple rootstock, and these are 10 plants. That is M27, and these are 10 plants. And that is Gisela 5 plants. Gisela 5 plants, and that is Queens. That is Queens. It is written 3, but they are 4. So that's what came out of that delivery, which looks like that is not the full order I not full with them. These are the hedge plants, 50. There must be more than 50 in them. He always sends some extra. Then that is a M27, and it is 10. After that M9, it should be 10. That is M9. Queens Elaine 7. I think that is Queens. That is there are 4 plants of quince A, but it is written only 3. That is Gizilla 5, so that is the right number. And that is Apricot 5. So that is a part of the order which has been sent to me, and there are few items which hopefully, as he has promised, he will send me in next few days depending on the weather. I am always happy with the quality of the plants. I have bought, it was quite a big order last year, which I have planted in plastic pots. I have grafted them, and hopefully this year it will be ready to be sold to raise some funds for Wellspring charity. So don't forget to come on 7th of July this year on our open garden, and whenever I'll open these packs, then I'll share rest of the details with you. Now I'll open each packet one by one and see the condition, the roots. That is a M27. They are 10 in numbers, and as you can see, they all have very well established roots. All of them. So I'm quite happy and impressed by the quality of these. Thank you, Dave. Thank you, Sheepwalk Nurseries. Next, that is a M9. And they are 10 in numbers. That is the one which has not many roots. The rest of them, that is almost the same. This one is much better. That's better. That's better. That is Queen's A. Number is written 3, but plants are 4 in numbers. And they all have very good established roots. This one has slightly weaker, but look at that. Those are the roots. I love it. So that's I'm quite happy with the quality of them. It is Gizilla 5. So they are very, very good established roots. All of them their root system is very, very good. These are the best plants you can expect. Next one, that is apricot, 5 plants. That is the smallest, but they all of them. This is the only one which has a slightly smaller stem, but a good root system. The others, they all have better than this root system. Look, they have very good and established roots. So I can't complain about the quality of them. So that is a part of the first order. Hopefully the remaining will be delivered depending on the weather. So I'll let you know all these plants. Now what I'll do, I'll have to dig some holes and put them in bundles into the ground so that they don't dry. If they are left open, their root system will be affected. These are the plants for the hedge. So the best is I have decided to leave them in my garage the way they are because I don't have that much time. So I will, whenever I have a bit of time, I'll take them out, put them in a bundle of 5s or 10, and then I'll put them in the ground. So that is the job for another time. Now I have managed to put them in the ground. I have dug a little trench and put them closer to each other, leaving a little bit, few inches gap in between them. And I have put the soil around them, some dried, some dead leaves, and I have sprinkled a little bit water, although it is always raining over here. I am millions times smaller than a dot on the face of this universe. If you lose me once, it will be hard to find me again. To avoid that situation, you can subscribe to my channel and you will have easy access to me and to my videos. Thank you.